shades and light and color, different shades of darkness. Like how water is illustrated through art is a fascinating phenomenon, because water is a mixture of light and darkness. And how water emerges in art on a two-dimensional surface is when a certain, you see, with darkness and light, it has to be set, the frequency, the shades have to be set at a very specific opacity. So if the darkness is set at a very specific opacity and the light is set at a very specific opacity, this is what illustrates water, how water, and technically water is always a color because there's always something that reflected from the water. So now you know that to illustrate water, you have to get into shades. It's a mixture of light and dark. Light and dark. You would notice that if you put a very mild version of darkness, if you took a dark shade and you implement a very mild version of that dark shade